Animals on. Huh? Dude, who cares? How do you know he's not big? Oh, he didn't have a very big splash, but here. Are you sure? Cornhole. Sure? Oh, dynamite for the fucking win. Oh, he's good fish, man.
Perfect hook set in the lip, too. That makes me feel good.
No, dude, you're all, oh, you're not big. That's a good fish. Yeah, absolutely. That's a good fish, man.
I'll take it.
Shit, yeah. Don't want to take a marabou. Come on, Sean. Taking a little bit of line. He's a good fish. I think he's coming up above though. Holy shit. He's a decent fish. Or he feels decent at least, I don't know. Never got him fouled.
Nice. Woohoo! Yes!
Nice. Alright, we got redemption time. We got Big Sean here, and he's got one on the fucking board, and I got one on the board. I don't know, that fish might be 20 inches. He's not quite. What do you think, 19?
Yeah.
18, 19. Fatty, friggin'. Is he cutbow? That's a rainbow. Just a male rainbow. Whoa.
Hey,
I got one on the cricket. Dude, that is fucking insane. I threw a he's another nice one. Whoa! Did you see how he was a nice friggin' rainbow? Yeah! Wow! Going down river walk. We got 2 fish in the net and that other really nice, either rainbow or cutbow, I couldn't tell. Close to 20 inches. Did a double sky session on me and decided to spit my jerkbait right back at me. We're gonna go hit a couple more places downtown before it gets hotter than 2 squirrels. It's supposed to be like 105 today. Nobody likes that, especially the fish or the fishermen. What a beautiful morning here. Seriously, check this out. It's like sun's just coming up. It's about 7:30. We've been fishing for a couple hours. Still only 2 fish in the net and the 1 hookup is it. It's a little rough still. One of these days the river's going to turn on, but until then we're just going to keep trying, throwing everything we got at him. He doesn't feel big, but oh, is he off? Oh, you yeah, actually feels okay. Hold on. Dude, I was like, what the? Yeah, he's on. He's coming up. Don't just watch out, I can't tell. He's pulling pretty good. Dude, I was just letting it sit in the current. I can't see where the hell I'm going, but he's coming up. He's coming right up at you. He's going behind that rock.
All right. Cricket.
Look at a red.
Yeah, I'll take this.
Shit, that's slippery.
That
Thanks,
is real
buddy.
slippery.
Look at the colors on this thing.
Beautiful.
Alright, tell me what you think, Sean. Friggin' some minor success today?
Yeah, this has been a good day. Beautiful fish. fish, man.
Finally starting to get some fish taking something other than a jig or a worm. It's a nice, beautiful Truckee River cutbow. Whoop.
Let's go back.
He wants to go back big time. We'll let him go. God dang it. Except he just wants to keep going in the net. Whew.